Hey, I'm Matt Gambrell, owner of Appeal Assassins, and in case you haven't realized or you don't know, Amazon is the most powerful platform and has created more millionaires than any other marketplace or platform in the world. With that opportunity, with that power that Amazon does provide, there also is the other side of the spectrum where there's the potential for you to have it all come crashing down and taken away from you. And so we've created Appeal Assassins specifically for our clients, for our customers, should they ever have something where they do get suspended. We help in every situation, every scenario, get our clients back on board, rocking and rolling and making money again. There's all kinds of different types of suspension reasons that can happen. We are always up to date on any type of reason, and I've always said this, but Amazon always has new reasons why they suspend, just because they really want to make their platform the best and weed out any of the bad sellers. So anybody that's not making their business and leveling up their business to be a more traditional business and to be a more refined business, it's always going to be left in the dust. And we are also not just trying to get people's accounts back. And I wanted to say, with our service, our goal is not just to get their accounts back. Our goal is to keep their accounts back. Okay, if you're suspended, we want to make sure that we get you unsuspended and keep you unsuspended so that you can move forward and grow with confidence. I think one of the biggest reasons why people want to stop selling on Amazon or they want to sell on other marketplaces is because of the fact that they get suspended. And we want to really have people feel confident when they're selling on Amazon so that way they can truly scale their business the way we know that they should and they're capable of. But we want to make sure that they can confidently do that and understand that if a suspension happens or there is a hiccup in their business in that regards, they're able and they're prepared to easily, quickly handle it and not have to stress and worry and feel like their case is some type of unique case. And ultimately, we've seen everything, every single type of case on the planet. I'm an Amazon seller as well. I've handled and had pretty much every type of suspension myself. I've dealt with all the types of suspensions that have ever occurred. So if you are interested or you are in a place where Amazon suspended you and they're holding tons and tons of money, thousands of dollars, we can help. Click the link below or swipe up. If you are interested or want to find out more information, you can schedule a call with me and we can talk about it, and we will take care of you and get you in the queue as soon as possible. Thanks, guys.